Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the sweetness and the bitterness in the onions. And here you may see the onion delicacies. As you know that sometimes the taste of the onions are sweet and sometimes it tastes bitter. But how? What is the chemistry behind it? As you know that the onions are sweet, so how do they taste sweet? Actually, in the onions there are the different kinds of the sugars. As you may see here, there is sucrose, glucose and the fructose. These are the sugars that are present in the onions, and when we fry these onions then the sugars are melted due to the heat. When we heat the onions on the light flames, then the sugar caramelized, which gives us the sweet taste. But as you know that when the fire is high and when we fry the onions, then these onion sugar is caramelized at a very high rate and it burned, and the burnt caramel always gives you the bitter taste. That's why sometimes the onions taste are sweet and sometimes it's bitter. And you know that the chefs use this chemistry to produce the highly delicious dishes for you with the onions. When they need the sweet taste onions, then they fry the onions on a very light flame, and when they need a bitter taste of the onions, then they fry the onions at the high flame. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channels and share my videos. And in the next video I will present you why we get tears when we cut the onions.